Hope you all having a great time. It's Rafael back at the charts again. Today was nice. Today we smashed gold, made $134,000, which is around 2%. 2%. Last week I was trading one trade on gold as well. We made 180 grand, so altogether is around 308,000 for the week. The week before that was not that good, so yeah, I'm around 1% in profit for the month, which is alright. I had a crazy losing streak, but altogether for the year, I'm up about 884,000. Already withdrew 350 grand, which is beautiful. And yeah, let's go over the trades, guys. Last week we started. What was going on, guys? We had this low over here, and then we had some rejection on the 4-hour chart. And then let me show you what happened. I was waiting for the bulls to step into the game because you see this, it is a bearish trend channel, as you can see, but it was on the bottom of that trend channel. So I was looking for some bulls to step in, and I was just waiting for them. And then I wanted to ride this thing to the upside with the bulls. That was the plan, and it worked out. So yeah, let me show you exactly what was happening on the 1-hour chart when I was getting in, guys. So trade from last week, there we had the double bottom. You see how it came down for the double bottom, and it got rejected pretty strong. So all I was just waiting for was this level. I just wanted to see a break of structure over here. So after that double bottom, I was waiting for the break of structure to get in. And yeah, this was the double bottom, and then the bulls taking over control of the market. This was the time when I was stepping into the game. I had my stops at first somewhere in this area over here, and then I was waiting for the market to make that move. I was giving it a little space, and then after that the market slowly took off. Boom, there it is. And I closed some of my position around in this area because here was kind of a level where I wanted to bank some profits. So I took some profits off the table, and then later on I took some more around in that area here. Yeah, I made 180 grand. I think it was around 1% risk and 3% gain, which was great. I mean, the market later on continued to move, and I think exactly there I got stopped out with my position. I was moving my stop with the 1-hour candles, and then later on I got stopped out somewhere in this area. The market was continued to move to the upside, so I was really got knocked out, and then the market kept moving up. So there was a little bit more potential, but it was alright for me. 1 to 3 risk reward is great. And yeah, let's skip that shit. Let me show you what was happening today, because I was seeing this kind of a channel. This is what I was seeing, and then I was like, okay, I think we're gonna see some more upward movement, because if we look at the bigger picture, it is looking like a big double bottom. You see that? Like a really big double bottom. Look, we had this low over here, came back again, and now for me it was pretty clear that we are going to meet these levels over here. For me it was clear. I think market will easily get to 1755, something like that. I expect the market to make the next push somewhere around in this area here. So if we can break through this level, we are going to see another push to that level. So this could be a great target. 1800, 1815, something around in that area could be a great target on gold that I'm going to aim for. And but yeah, now let me show you the trade, because I was recording that trade today. So yeah, let's start on the 5-minute chart, guys. I expected the market to go to the upside. Okay, let me show you on that one real quick. So we had that kind of a channel, you see that, and on the bottom of that channel I was looking for a break of structure, and I got the break of structure in this area, and in this area over here. This is where I got in. This is where I got in as soon as I saw that it breaks, because we had that kind of a triangle, something like that, and then we had that clear break, and I was like, okay, let's try it. Stop was around in this area first, around 1729.30. This was my stop at first, and when I saw that we get some more bulls action, I was moving the stop a little tighter, put some more positions on the table. At the end I had like 4 positions running. My risk was maximum 0.7%, and I was aiming to smash through that high over here to the next level. So this was the kind of the first target. I was taking the risk off the table as soon as I saw that the market is going through the roof. I was minimizing the risk, and then I was taking some profits on the way to the top. So yeah, I'm going to show you right now. So yeah, this was the trade. As you can see, we had that triangle and that break of structure, and that was my entry. First of all, I had my stop over here with 1 position, but later on, as I saw bulls are in control, I was putting another position on the table, but I was moving my stop a little bit back and forth. You will see that now. Let me go through that real quick, like 6 hours. Let's see what happens. So the market is moving. I'm checking the 5-minute, the 1-minute, hour chart, all that time frames. So as you can see, I was moving my stop tighter, and I put some more positions on the table. I think my maximum risk was around 40 grand or something like that. And then I was just waiting. So the market is running. 40 minutes, I still got all positions on the table. Market is coming down again to test my patience, but I'm still holding. I still believe that thing can break out to the top. And I like it when the market is slowing down around at a high. You see that, how it's slowing down around in this area? This is a good sign for the market to continue to move through the roof, you know. If it doesn't get rejected really hard, if it starts slowly consolidating around that area, it's a really good sign that the market will break through the roof. Let's see. Boom. I got the first candle going through the roof, came back, but then at the end it was moving strong. This was the time when I was banking profits. As soon as I saw that the market is moving, boom, 1 position is out of the market. You see that? I was taking my worst position out of the market, and the market keeps moving and moving. I was minimizing my risk, so after like 1 hour, 1.5 hour, 2 hours, 1.5 hour to 2 hours, I was completely risk free. I already banked some profits, and I had 3 positions running, and now all I had to do is manage the position and watch price action to see when it's time to get out of that trade. So for now it's consolidating a little bit. Then we had break of structure. Beers took a little bit of control. I was moving my stop a little tighter, but we had this support resistance level over here, and I didn't want the market to go too low, you know, but I wanted to give it some air to breathe. Like if we get a deep retracement and it comes back to the trend line, you know, that we still didn't get kicked out of that game, you know. So yeah, and then I was just waiting, but Bulls took control again. I was moving my stop tighter, secure some more profit, and I was closing one of the three positions. I took it off the table after 2 hours 10 minutes. I was taking some more off the table. Boom. Yeah, as soon as I saw that breakout structure, I was like, okay, let's close half of the position, because it could potentially start to drop a little stronger, which it did. But anyways, market came back again, was going to the upside. Then I was tightening my stop a little bit more, secure some more profits. Still got 2 positions running, but then the market was going really slowly. Then I decided that I'm going to close the another quarter of that position. So now I already closed 75% of my initial position, banged around 100 grand, which is 1.5%. So I already made like 2.1% risk reward. But I wanted to give the last position enough air to breathe to maybe blast to the roof and go over 1,755, something like that. This was my next target, but it never came there, so I got stopped out because the market was breaking the structure. I could have exited somewhere around in this area, but I was not looking at the chart, to be honest, because I already had my profits. I was grabbing some food around the corner, so I just had my stop over there. Then it got stopped out, and after I got stopped out, the market came back to the initial highest price of the day. But anyways, it was a great trade. I'm happy with it. I'm really happy with it. It was a great trade. Got stopped out in that area here. Market came back again. But I'm happy with the profits, because yeah, it's a nice risk reward ratio, 0.7% risk, made like 2% gain. It's a great trade, guys. I'm back at the charts, killing gold. Oh yeah. And yeah, we're good for the year, man. Around nearly 900k. Let's see if we can smash the million profit this week. I would be happy to do that. One trade is enough to do that. Let's see, man. Maybe we can catch some more. I will keep you updated. I'm sure I'm going to share some analysis, some setups in the free Telegram channel this week. So make sure, if you're not inside of the free Telegram channel, check the link in the description. Join the free channel. See what I do. And yeah, just follow me. Maybe make some bucks. Yeah, let's get it, guys. If you need some help, drop me a message. You will find a link in the description as well. And yeah, have a great trading week, guys. Peace out. Every time